Hi and welcome to another episode of me in Vietnam. Here is Ha Long. I'm now at Ha Long, and if you can see behind me, this is the world's tallest cable car. I come here today with my friends as we go to the same way and want to see what is interesting about Ha Long here. And this street is full of those coffee shops and restaurants. I can see they are more focused towards for the night business.哦，有车 voucher， OK。然后 ticket 是这样的吗？
这个是 ticket
啊，这个 ticket 啊，这个 ticket 啊，妈。
scan 的barcode的，然后这个是
你。Thank you。这个什么
Where are you from?
We're from Malaysia. Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yeah, Malaysia. king koi. Yes, if you see behind me, this is the other part of the Halong city. So after taking lunch, me and my friend both have bought the ticket to ride on the cable car to come to the other part of the city, which is behind me, if you can see it, across the street. And my initial plan to come here is to go and walk around the city, but that is not going according to my plan. This place is isolated, and since there is nowhere I can go down, so we are just limited to the places around here. This place now is called Sun Hills, and the attracting places including the Japanese garden here, and also the Ferris wheel behind me, but it's not open today because it's operating during the summer only, which is around April to October, and also to the far end, which is a Chinese temple. Today is Saturday. The time now is 3:30 in the evening. The weather today is cloudy with temperature around 19 degrees Celsius. 这没有开了，这个。
去楼上先喽。
啊，我们做了这个去楼上，然后吃一个。
回来吃了，吃了又回哦。
嗯，可以啊。
One eternity later.
Just finished the roller coaster slide. It's a slide, two-seater car, and since camera are not allowed, I tried to smuggle it in and discovered by them. Unlucky. Now it's 7 in the evening, where I and my friend had a little evening break, and then we've taken the cable car back to the place where we came from. I would like to say that this is actually a package that cost 380,000 Vietnam dong, roughly 65 ringgit Malaysia. That includes a return trip on the world's largest cable car. Sorry for the misleading info at the start of the video. Traveling to the other side of the city, exploring the attractive places around there, and also including a small meal. There are also 2 different adventure parks, which is the Dragon Park, and another one is the Wet Park, which is the Typhoon Water Park. About the price, I really don't know because I don't intend to go there. This park alone have consumed me 1 whole day, and if I would like to explore the city, that will need another day. And unfortunately, I don't have the time because tomorrow I will be going back to Malaysia. So, Halong, for me, I think is the most attractive and the most beautiful place in Vietnam. Yeah, that's the end of this episode, and that wraps up my entire duration in Vietnam. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Once again, I'm Michael, and thanks for watching.